Hello viewers, welcome back in BIM Tech. So as you aware, I make videos on BIM technology in civil engineering and AEC industry, right? So I'm back again with a brand new video, and this video gonna be pretty much useful to you as always. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about the five most pressing advantages of using BIM, right? So how many of you are really eager to know about the advantages of BIM? My dear friends, if you're really interested to know about the, you know, most pressing advantages, stay tuned with me and let's get started without much delay. So the very first advantage of using BIM is a cost and resource saving, meaning we can save our cost as well as resources which we gonna utilize or use in the construction stage or planning stage, whatever it is. Let me explain you in brief. Basically, as we know, we can model a building or a structure very accurately in BIM. That means we can also calculate the material takeoff or the quantity takeoff from that model, right? So the chances of wastage will reduce to a greater extent. Moreover, as we have a proper planning, proper model and scheduling of the time construction, right, we can put our labor accordingly and the desired number of manpower at different time of, different stages of construction, isn't it? So, in nutshell, we are going to save our cost because we do not have the wastage or scrap part because we have already optimized our design and we have considered some portion of additional plus minus percentages over that. In addition to this, we have planned our labors in such a way that we know at different stages of work we will be having that much of manpower or the labor, so accordingly we can save our resources as well. Now coming to the second advantage, which is greater efficiency. What do we mean by that? That means architects or designers can start, or you can say, can make buildings or models, can design very faster with the help of BIM, right? That means if we can complete the work in less time, that consequently leads to the early start of the construction work, early start of the early take off the project. Okay, and we will be able to complete the project within the time or before the time. See, these are the two most common problems we have in our country. Either it is delayed or cost overrun, time overrun or cost overrun, doesn't it? So if we will be able to complete the design part, planning part within time or before time, we can always start the work before time and can finish it on time or before time. That means our efficiency will definitely gonna increase or improved when we will be using BIM. Now coming to the third advantage, which is improved communication, right? So thanks a million to this cloud technology, isn't it? Cloud technology, because BIM uses common data environment, meaning there's a there's an environment wherein we can save the data, we can store the data, and that is known as common data environment. Why it is known as common data environment? Because anybody anybody means all the stakeholders of the project can access the information at any point of time by sitting any part of the world. That doesn't make any difference. See, this is the beauty of cloud, right? And when they can access the information, they can see the information, they can they are able to provide their suggestions and improvements, their comments, on any drawing or any part during the planning stage as well as during the construction stage as well. And those changes, those suggestions and improvements shall be visible to all the stakeholders. For example, MEP consultant can see the changes made by architects. Structure consultant can also see the changes. Owner, the asset owner of the project can also see the changes. Landscape people can also. So they can provide the changes, they can see the changes. So that means there is an improved, enhanced communication among the stakeholders. So it will reduce the chances of error, doesn't it? Now coming to the fourth, okay. So the fourth advantage advantage is uh, you know the scope of prefab modular construction increases. By using BIM, architects or designers always have more opportunities to design more prefab or more prefab kind of structures or piece of architecture, right? The designers are always open-handed. By using BIM, they can always design more modular pieces of architecture that directly fit together on site. That means we can design some of the structures in such a way that these structures can be assembled off site and they can be constructed or fitted or installed later during the time of execution at the site, on site. So this is another advantage, my dear friends. Now the last but not the least is, guess what I'm going to talk about? Yes, of course, it is none other than but the higher quality or improved quality. My dear friends, BIM makes more complex calculations, detailed calculations, okay, and it models the buildings accurately. So if the calculations are detailed and the modeling is accurate, that means what we can expect from the model is that the chances of error will be reducing and we will be having higher quality structure or higher quality building output from the BIM, right? So this is all about the advantages of BIM. I believe you have enjoyed this video and it was really helpful for you people. And if it was, please do subscribe my channel. I'm new on this platform. Okay. I didn't want to, request you people for subscribe and like, but yes, it is the need of the hour. So you people do understand. If you enjoy, you will really like it and subscribe my channel. For more information related to BIM, please subscribe my channel and I'll see you again in the next video. I'm Parvez Khan signing out until we meet again.